Alright, welcome back guys to another episode on Assassin's Creed Syndicate. Now where we left off we did destroyed the omnibuses. But we are just gonna check our mission. Research and development. Can I fast travel? Don't think I can, but how far is it? Not far, but ow! I might take a carriage.
Curious. I wonder what that's about.
Might as well save this guy. I just thought I might as well save him because I thought it'd be a bit of fun. Yep. Yeah, good man. Let me loot him. Got £8. Just get any carriage, man. I just want to fasten, so might as well just get this one. It's not very fast. It is fast, but not as fast as the one. But I can't seem to find that. We're getting closer. Oh god. Okay, closer, and is it to do with this carriage? Ain't stopped for me. We're meant to get into the carriage. Play. Yeah. Big Ben.
Mr. Fry, I told you to make an appointment.
My schedule was open.
You're fortunate I like you.
Internal combustion engines.
8 small syllables that mean a great deal of money. The engines will be delivered to Milner by train. Secure them for me, and he will be devastated.
I'll need a second train to pull this off. And I think I know just the man.
So we have a deal, Mr. Fry?
You're fortunate I like you, Miss Attaway.
Let's go and locate Ned Weiner. Okay guys, so let you know my recording decided to mess up, so I've removed the face cam because I think that was causing it, but I'm pretty sure you saw the just the start of it, so I'm gonna do my best to edit it, or I might have to split it and make it into one video, or upload it separately. I'm planning to do one in the same video, but you know, like just edit it. Yes. Train track. Was that train coming? I think there was. But anyway guys, we're gonna see if we can finish off this mission without any hassle. Because the face cam does work guys, but it can mess up sometimes. So I might have to split it into 2 parts. Just like, as I said, edit it. I'll do my best to edit it. It just can be, my internet's complete crap. I was planning to swear then, but Shit. Yeah. Oh wow. Do not kill a single policeman from the convoy. Right, let's give this a go. We're gonna give it a go by the side objective, slide objective, or challenge, whatever you want to call it. Whoa! That was, wow, I thought I was done for them, but so we're gonna try and do the challenge as well. I might take this to get me there quicker. Policeman! Yeah, got me. Free now. I'm just gonna get out like a normal man. Normal. I was in the carriage. Okay, I'm going. Okay. Have I freed him?
So, what do you want, Fry?
What makes you so sure I want something? Perhaps I saved you out of the kindness of my own heart. Come on, let me tell you about the job.
Okay. Just grabbing a drink. I thought that'd be really tricky then, but that was pretty much quite easy, to be honest.
Milner's pulling a lot of cargo there.
Just be sure to make the transfer.
Give him help. Hurry up, man!
Oh, really? You're my gang? Search the crates. Oh, you cool with me? I'm gonna recruit ya. I think they're already on my team, but we're just gonna check this out. Yes! Got it. I love the music for this game.
Not this one.
Not gonna roll with it. Come back. Stand up.
Who can tell me what went on?
Oh, didn't kill him. Yes! Throwing knife, I'm gonna loot the girl. £15. Is looking. Yep, down to me. Got him. Oh shit. Use medicine. Oh wow. Let's try and go less rough. Let's try and take our time. I think I've got the double assassinate, so I can just use that. Come on, man. Brent. Oh, come on.
Move on, Fry.
Don't mind if I do. What am I doing? Got ya. Get home, mate.
Not this one.
Yes. That's what I'm talking about. Shit. Is he dead? What? That has to be the weirdest thing I've ever seen. Detach it, just detach it, just detach it. You know that was what I wanted to do. Okay, that's one down, one to go. And he's gone straight away. Gotta loot them all. While he's gone, can't loot him. Search it. I bet it's gonna be in the last.
Not what I'm after.
Oh, my slide objective is to detach them. Detach them, I want to do that. I didn't see that, guys, to be honest. Good. Can I detach this? Detach. Let's do it. That will be our challenge completed. I don't see how you can do that. By the we're just using the fist, mate. I don't see how you can do it. I'm not gonna shoot. Oh, she's got a gun. Bam! I can't believe she just can't even see what's going on. He hasn't even got a single hit on me. And he didn't die. Nope. Here we go. The skill point. No. Just quietly detach it. I don't want to talk like that, but just detach it. Jump! Come here. Oh, really? Come on, mate. Just, you want to go, I'll give you it. Run! Did it attach the target? I think it did, to be honest with you. Oh, crikey. Just come on, mate.
Have all day.
Oh, come on. No, we'll just do it. Stay calm. Whoa, where the hell am I going? Get down. So I don't see why you guys can't come and help. Be careful. Be careful. Risk it for a chocolate biscuit. God, yeah. Now we're gonna do the same for what we did with the others. That detach, detach. How? That just literally fucked up. That was literally just messed up on me. The hard way. Loot him. Please. Yes, no. Oh, missed. It's dead on it. What now? Let me throw a dart at him. Got it. And him. No.
Every last one of you! You think you can steal my money?
He's got a dart at him, so it's gonna help me. Oh, now he's back. Son of a... Oh. Dumbest thing I've ever seen in my entire life, guys. Literally, that was the cockiest son of a bitch who just... That... How dumb can these cunts be? Oh, fuck off. Shit mission. And I'm not even getting fucking angry. I'm not gonna go in the fucking hard way. Fuck. Fuck. Fucking game, man. Just fucking spawn me in. Why'd it have to take so fucking long? It's fucking irritating. You know, I'm gonna grab a drink while I wait for this fucking... It's almost 10:30 and I haven't fucking done it. Oh, God. Just fucking spawn me, you piece of shit. Mate, just...
Move on, right?
Just let me fucking go, you stupid bitches. I want you to fucking help. Instead of standing there and voting for me. You can do this with me. Wouldn't you rather do that? Just go in stealth. Wait for him. Just do it more stealthily. Holy fucking moly. Drop a smoke bomb. What the hell's going on? Right, you're gonna get it. I use my medicine. Die! Good, that's my only way. I have to waste my bullets on her. Dumb game, mate. It's for the gayest enemies ever. That pisses you off. Gonna skip the scene. I guess not.
Not this one.
I'm gonna forget about fucking detaching. Get him. Slight bit closer. Got him. I've only got one hit. Got him. Get fucked, mate. Shit. We're so gonna end it after this mission because I was expecting to do more, but the thing fucked up on me. So I've literally just wasted all of my knives on these little dickheads. Gonna air assassinate the two of them. Yes. Got more throwing knives. Is that from the two of them or just from the one? Two of them or just from the one?
Here we go.
Let's use this on him. Got ya. Oh, it wants me to detach this. Oh, and I've got to stand this side, I see now. Defend Ned. I see now. Just get me up there. Or get me onto the train. Oh, defend Ned. Oh, I've got men now, so it won't be as a charge. Because I've got my own men. Listen up. I want you to fight like you've never before. Fight like a warrior. Let's go. Help me take on these dickheads, guys. Am I doing one that's pretty much the best fight? Oh, all helping. This is the war, mate. And we win. Succeeded. Is dead.
The internal combustion engine. The end of horse-drawn transport. It's like gazing into the future.
What is the going rate for the future, do you think?
We're not selling them.
You're giving them to your contact?
You'll be paid all the same.
Who is this Pearl, anyway? How long you been working with her?
She's a business partner. That's all you need to know.
Yes! Oh, God. Continue. Good. More stealthy and you managed to do it.
James, I hope I didn't make it too laddie da. Slap some gold leaf here and there. I gave the wood a splash of shellac. I've holstered the lot. And how do you like the lampshades?
Hello, Evie. Chaos, but we shall be continuing on Axe's assassination wall while we were doing the next mission in the next episode, guys. I hope you enjoyed this part. I will hopefully get it put into the other video, but I'll see you guys later.